Welcome back to Amalfi Cove, the channel that takes you on incredible journeys to stunning destinations around the world. Today, we have a real treat for you as we soar above one of Italy's most breathtaking coastal gems. That's right, we're heading to Sorrento, and we're doing it in style with mesmerizing drone footage from high above. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this aerial adventure. Our journey begins as our trusty drone takes off, revealing the stunning expanse of the Tyrrhenian Sea below us. Sorrento, located on the Sorrentine Peninsula, is a place that has captivated travelers for centuries, and it's easy to see why. As we glide along the coastline, you'll notice the dramatic cliffs that plunge into the crystal-clear waters. These cliffs are a signature feature of Sorrento's landscape and offer some of the most awe-inspiring views you'll ever see. Our drone takes us closer to the heart of Sorrento, where the town's colorful buildings seem to cling to the cliffs. This charming town is famous for its narrow streets, bustling piazzas, and of course, the delicious scent of lemons that fills the air. Down by the water, we get a glimpse of the picturesque Marina Grande. This fishing village is a hidden gem, known for its seafood restaurants, fishing boats, and vibrant atmosphere. It's the perfect place to enjoy a leisurely meal with a view. As we ascend higher into the sky, the entire coastline comes into view, revealing its true grandeur. This is a place where every twist and turn of the coastline seems to uncover a new hidden cove, a secluded beach, or a postcard-perfect village. We can't forget to showcase Sorrento's very own city beach. Nestled between the charming town and the sparkling sea, this beach is a true oasis for both locals and visitors alike. What makes Sorrento City Beach truly unique is its proximity to the town. It's as if the beach seamlessly merges with the picturesque streets of Sorrento. It's a place where you can easily switch between the vibrant atmosphere of the town and the tranquil serenity of the sea. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey over Sorrento. If you enjoyed this drone adventure as much as we did, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Amalfi Cove for more incredible travel videos from around the world. And remember, there's a whole world out there waiting to be explored, so stay curious and keep traveling. Until next time, wanderlust seekers.